Working on my son's car today, Infiniti G35 coupe. He had a bad starter, it's giving him some issues, so we decided to go ahead and replace it. It takes two 14mm bolts and one 12mm bolt to get it out and unplug it, and pretty easy steps. I'll show you where it's at here in a second. Gonna need to jack the car up, put your jack stands underneath it. Safety first. Unplug the battery, otherwise you're gonna get a jolt of your life. There's where it goes. You see that little scratch there where I was pulling it out. It's about even with the passenger side front tire, and it's underneath the crossbar here, which is kind of a pain. So it's right underneath the exhaust manifolds. Like I said, it takes 3 bolts and about 15 minutes to take it off from start to finish, and that's about it. I'll put it back up on here and let you see how it works. Alright, this is the second bolt, just finishing tightening it up. Then you got this electrical connector that this is going to slide into right here. And then I have to finish up the right here from the alternator under the starter back here, and then we'll be done. All right, when I replaced this this nut here up here, we ended up actually it was a 12mm, and now we ended up it ended up being a 13mm for those of you buying parts from your part stores. Put the battery back up, and I'll tighten it down here once we decide if the car's running. All right, start the car. Son's car's done. Gotta ride her hard. Don't put her away wet.